It's been about a year since Metro started working with the LoJack company, you've probably heard of them, to help them find stolen cars. So far, they've found nearly 90 cars with the device. News 13's Dave Malkoff joins us now live to show you how it works. Dave, good evening.
Good evening. You know, AAA says that we are the #6 city in the country when it comes to stolen cars. #6. Now, to protect yourself, you can always buy an alarm, or you can hide a tracking device in any one of 30 spots in there. Just 10 days after Heather Kaiser bought her Honda Civic, someone ripped it off. Look on Metro's website, the Honda Civic's big sister, the Accord, is the #2 stolen car around here. But Heather was lucky.
The cop that called me in the morning told me they wouldn't have found it if I hadn't had the LoJack on it.
So we decided to test out the LoJack tracking device.
I called and told the dispatcher that's what we're doing.
We are in the van. We're looking for a white truck somewhere in Las Vegas.
I said good luck.
And immediately we're on his tail.
This is a bar strength indicator telling me how strong the signal is. This is the direction from which it's coming.
We head that way, towards the beep.
We're growing in strength, and the pitch is getting higher. See, we're using everything all added together here.
525 turns into 526.
He's right around here somewhere.
We've been at it about 10 minutes.
You know, they are trying to get this story on the 11 o'clock news tonight. You know that, right?
He's taunting us. It's like a high-tech game of hide-and-go-seek. With the beep,
Telling us we're hot or we're cold.
suddenly,
Hold on.
it's not the first time these two guys have played this game.
He's probably hiding in a building, although it's staying pretty steady now, pointing up there.
Right at that body shop over there. Remember, if this was real,
We'd have this place surrounded right now. All right, here we're going to do a test, and we're going to find out if he's behind that garage door.
we pull up, the thing goes nuts.
Okay, open the garage door.
How do I know you get the right garage?
Here he goes.
Inside a garage, miles away from where we started. 15 minutes to make the catch.
You can run and you can hide, but you can't hide forever.
You certainly can't. You know, the man we were driving around with, PJ, he was actually with Metro for 29 years, and now he works with the LoJack company. And this is just something that's been going on for a year, and they say it's working really well out here.
All right. Sounds pretty cool. I would imagine that LoJack isn't very cheap.
No, it's not cheap at all. It's $700 to $1,000 to install in your car. They install it anywhere in different spots, so the person who's going to steal the car doesn't know where it is. But they say it's an insurance policy, and it's a one-time cost. You don't have to pay for a month.
All right. Sounds like a good deal.
Sure.
All right. Thanks, Dave.